Question number 4. Find the coordinate of stationary point on the curve and then sketch the graph of the curve and find the value of k which this curve have four solution. Okay, so when y equal to 0, x minus 7 equal to 0, x equal to 7, x plus 1 equal to 0, x equal to negative 1. So the axis of symmetry will be 7 plus negative 1 over 2, then it is 3. So when it is 3, x is 3, then this one will become negative 4, 4, 16 modulus of negative 16, then it will become 16. So the coordinate of the stationary point will be the 3, 16. 3, 16. Okay. And then B, we need to sketch the graph. So we know that when uh, x equal to 0, y equal to negative 7 times 1, then is 7. So 0, 7, negative 1, 7. Okay, and then we have the 3, 16. Okay, so the graph will be something like this, negative 1, 7. Okay, negative 1, 7. Okay, so negative 1, 7. This is 7 and this is 3, 16. So x and this is the y. Okay, we know that when it is 16, okay, k equal to 16, then we have three solutions. And then when it is 0, then we have two solutions. And when it is middle, okay, between the 0 and 16, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, four solutions. So C, the value of K is between 0 and 16, not inclusive. Okay, so greater than 16, we also have two solutions over here. This one, we have two solutions as well. Okay, yes, okay. Question number 5, find the coordinate of the stationary point. So when y equal to 0, x plus 5 equal to 0, x equal to negative 5, x plus 1 equal to 0, x equal to negative 1, axis of symmetry will be negative 5 plus negative 1 over 2, then it's negative 3. So when x is negative 3, then we will have the negative 2 times 2, negative 4, and then modulus of negative 4, then it is 4. So the stationary point is negative 3, 4. Okay, negative 3, 4. Next, find the value of k, uh, which this graph have two solutions. Okay, so we know that negative 1, negative 5, the graph will be like this. This is negative 1, this is negative 5, and this is negative 3, 4. So, uh, three solution here. Okay, over here we have three solution. And then when it is 0, then we have 1, 2, two solution. And when we have greater than 3, greater than 4 here, this is 4 here, then we have uh, two solution as well. Okay, so the value of k is when k equal to 0 and when k greater than 4. Okay. Question number 6. Find the coordinate of stationary point. When y equal to 0, x minus 8 equal to 0, x equal to 8, x minus 3 equal to 0, x equal to 3. Axis of symmetry. Then we have the 11 over 2, 5.5. Then y will be the 5.5 minus 8 and then 5.5 minus 3. So we have the 5.5 minus 8 then is negative 2.5 and then 2.5 square, then we have the 6.25. Okay, negative 6.25 then is 6.25. So the stationary point will be 5.5, 6.25. Okay, next find the value of k. That this one have three solutions. Okay, so we know that the graph is like this, 3 and 8. So 3 and 8. This is 3, this is 8, and then something like this. And we have the 5.5, 6.25. Okay, so three solution when it is maximum stationary point here. This 6.25. Then we have 1, 2, 3, three solution. So when k is equal to 6.25. Okay, done.